I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator in a Honda Pilot. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before beginning. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we'll tackle the serpentine belt. Locate the tensioner pulley and use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension. This allows you to easily slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Once the belt is off, disconnect the main electrical connector and the large power cable from the back of the alternator. These are typically secured with a 10mm nut. Be gentle with the wiring. Now it's time to remove the old alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. These are often 14mm or 15mm bolts. Loosen and remove these bolts completely. Pay close attention to any washers or spacers, noting their orientation. Once all bolts are out, carefully wiggle and pull the old alternator free from its mounting bracket. It might be a bit snug. Finally, let's install the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into the mounting bracket and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier, tightening them to factory specifications, usually around 35 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power cable and the electrical connector. Route the serpentine belt back on all pulleys, ensuring it's correctly seated. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your vehicle and confirm the charging system light is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.